Good morning, students. Okay, today I am going to explain. Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about the what are the task-based applications scenario it is going to perform the different operations. What are the operations? Okay, basically it is going to manage this means one is coordinations and scheduling of the task for the executions on the set of remote nodes. Okay, then the movement of the program as well as the what is it the faraway nodes and manages their own dependencies of the operations, and it is going to creation as well as the executes the different types of different types of task on the remote nodes, and it is going to monitoring as well as the inform the particular tasks to the users, and it is also evaluate the user status means it is also evaluate the status of the user tasks. Then also it has access the output of the particular task. So these all are the different operations, okay, which we are going to seen in the task based applications. Then what are the characteristics of the applications? Okay, that is like the characteristics of the applications, which is nothing but okay, the task computing, okay, which is going to supports the a shell script composing of the several applications, and also okay, it is going to execute this shell script programs on the task computing platform. Then like a single program, okay, it is also executed. Then like the unit of code means like it is going to executed multiple programs, for example java as well as c++, then .NET. So these all are the different programming languages, okay, it is going to executed on the this task environment. The characteristics of a task, okay, generally it is going to execute the input files as well as the executable codes, the executable codes, okay, which is nothing but programs, okay, shell scripts, okay, and different files, okay, they are going to they are going to use for commonly in the runtime environment. And also here what is that what is that say this systems means the task computing systems, okay, they are also what is that executed on the sandboxed environment as well as the runtime environment. Like this is about the characteristics of the what is that task computing applications. Then what are the computing categories means here what is that the task computing system, they are going to provide the different computing categories. Why? Because are like according to the specific problem, okay, different categories for task computing, they are going to perform the different operations on the time. Okay, then here what is that like high performance computing as well as the high throughput computing, then many task computing, okay, these are the three categories, okay, which we are going to use for the middleware as well as the infrastructure of the task computing system. Then what is the high performance computing system? Okay, the high performance computing system, okay, which is nothing but it is going to use the distributed computing computing system, as well as it is going to facilitate for the solving problem that we need the large computing power. And also okay, the supercomputers and clusters are specially designed for the this type of task computing systems. Sorry. And also a high performance computing system, okay, it is going to support the high performance applications that are developed to solve the challenging of the problems. And this what is that HPC, it is going to identify the number of floating point operations per second that that can be computing the systems can performance. Like the floating point operations, okay, it is one of the what is that applications, okay, which is going to executed on the high performance computing system in the task computing environment. And like here what is that like it is also evaluate the what is that AF means floating point operations means for each minute or for each second how many operations, okay, it is going to executed on this environment. Then what is the HTC, means high throughput computing system. The high throughput computing system, okay, which is nothing but it is need to be robust as well as the reliable operations over the network, okay, over the network as well as the what is that particular environment, okay, over the network or over the environment. Then here like the grid can be composed to heterogeneous resources, or the cloud can be composed to the heterogeneous resources, the resources which is nothing but clouds, okay, workloads, clusters, data centers and desktop machines. These all are the different resources, okay, which we are going to compose on the HTC platform, that is high throughput computing platform. And like we are going to use for support for the HTC what is that high throughput computing applications for the yeah, for storing the large number of applications or large number of tasks, okay, which are going to executed on this particular environment. Means we like large number of applications or large number of tasks we are going to execute it on the middleware as well as the infrastructure platform. So and like this what is that and it is also increases the performance of the task as well as the number of what is that applications or number of jobs. And it is also identifies the, okay, the number of jobs, okay, when it is going to completed, or how much time taken, okay, it is going to completed, or within the week or within the minutes or within the second or within the month, okay, like how many it is means it tells about the durations of that particular task. Then what is the many task computing system? Okay, the many task computing systems, okay, which is nothing but here what is that like in the short period of time, okay, in the short period of time how many tasks or how many computations, okay, they can able to executed. Here like the MTCO, that is many task computing system, okay, it is also denotes the high performance computations, and it is like it is also like different activities or like different file systems operations they are going to taken care at the cloud. So this is about the many task computing like a category for like computing the different tasks in the task computing scenarios. Then like I'll move on to the like Anika for the task computing. Here yeah, you see here like here we are going to here we are going to use for the like several frameworks that can be used to support the executions of the task based applications on the distributed computing resources. Then what are the like applications we are going to use means what is that the cloud can support, or the cloud can uses the different software systems for supporting the multiple tasks multiple tasks in the computing frameworks, that is Condor, then Globus toolkit, then SunGrid engine, like BOINC, then like Nimrodal, Aneka. These all are the different platforms, okay, computing software platforms, okay, which is going to help for the task computing. Then we will see one by one what is the Condor. Okay, the Condor, which is nothing but, okay, it is the like which is nothing but, okay, it is most widely used for the long lived middleware for managing the clusters. And here what is that the workstation as well as the collection of clusters, okay, they are going to manage the many number of applications. And also this Condor, okay, they are having the different types of versions to supporting the integrations as well as the grid computing resources. Like those resources they are going to managed by the globals. And this Condor, okay, supports the common features of the batch processing technique and also for checkpointing for the task, and then managing the different tasks in the private node. So these all are the like different what is that functions or characteristics they are having the Condor framework task computing. And along with that it is also provides the powerful jobs resources matching mechanism scheduling, okay. And then what is this SunGrid? Okay, the SunGrid, which is nothing but one of the Oracle company they are going to use for the SunGrid, and like it is also one of the middleware like platform for what is that for executing the distributed as well as the for managing the different workload as well as this different workload on the